So, a little bit of wisdom from the car. Life's amazing, you know. I'm listening to the birds outside and I'm just thinking, wow, it's like, this is it, you know. This is it. Just the love, the friendships, the connections, the interactions, the transactions that we make with those that come into our life is just it's just a privilege, you know. It's just a privilege to be alive, and sometimes I just get touched. I just get touched by the simple beauty of it all. You know, there's just like no other. It's amazing. It's amazing that how little things can just touch your life so much. And sometimes you just have to slow down. You gotta just pause and listen to the birds and listen to your friends. Your friends are amazing. Your friends have some of the most amazing, insightful wisdom that you'll ever come across. And I think if we take our time to listen more and to just to reflect, I guess, to reflect and think and ponder and muse and ask questions, you know. I think one of the most powerful questions we can ask is, what does this mean to me? When something happens in our life, or we go through something, we experience something, what does this mean to me? You know, what's the purpose? What's the meaning behind it? Anyway, nothing super fancy today with some concepts, just me and my thoughts of, I guess, gratitude, thankfulness for my friends and for life, for the birds, for my family. It's just beautiful. It's just all beautiful. And when you just stop and slow down and listen, you'll see how beautiful it is. Anyway, just a little bit of wisdom, I guess, a little bit of reflection from the car. Have a good day. See you next time.